Hello guys, what's up? So in this video I'm going to show you how to make a poll on Facebook stories. So let's open Facebook. Let's open stories. You can browse a picture from your gallery or you can take a picture. So let's take a picture. Okay, so on the top you can see this square sticker button. Tap there. Now you can see on the third row poll. Tap there and you will see yes or no. So you can ask a question and you can drag and position it wherever you want, or if you want no text and just want to keep yes and no, you can do like that. Even you can change the text. Just bring it wherever you want. Even you can use smiley. You can customize it however you want, and once you are done you can share it to your stories. So that's all guys. Likewise you can do a poll in Facebook. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.